Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Yes, cars, Fortnite, I cannot wait. I'm gonna mention that in a little bit, what's upcoming. So I hope everybody has a nice day and I will talk to you later. Hi guys, so I'm on vacation. That's why I'm not uploading. I also want to show you guys something. And yes, August 5th, Cars, Fortnite. Yay, finally. So everybody knows that this is a fridge, right? You open the fridge. It should be cold. This is not cold at all. Not cold. You open this fridge. Honky, honky. Cold. There's cold air coming out of it. Yeah. That's probably the end of this video. August 5th, Cars update. Make sure to watch the video that's coming on that. I can't wait. Bye.